Have you ever felt like your body is working against you, no matter how hard you try to lose belly fat? You eat better, you move more, but your stomach just doesn't change. As a doctor, I want to tell you something honestly. In many cases, the problem is not your effort. The problem starts inside your body, and one of the most important organs involved is your liver. Now, before we begin, let me make one thing very clear. Your liver already detoxifies your body naturally. You do not need extreme detox drinks or dangerous supplements. What we are discussing here is something much more scientific. It is about how improving liver function can restore your metabolism and allow your body to release stored fat more efficiently. So let's go step by step through what actually happens inside your body over 7 days based on real clinical and metabolic research. Day 1. The overload begins to drop. Day 1 begins with a simple but powerful change. You reduce sugar, refined carbohydrates, processed food, and alcohol. At first, this may not feel dramatic, but inside your body, a major shift begins. Your liver is no longer overwhelmed by constant energy overload. Under normal conditions, when you consume excess sugar, your liver converts that extra glucose into fat through a process known as lipogenesis. Over time, this leads to fat accumulation inside the liver, a condition called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Even early stages of this can disrupt metabolism. Research published in The Lancet shows that liver fat is strongly linked with insulin resistance, which directly contributes to belly fat storage. So on day 1, your liver finally gets relief. The pressure begins to drop. Day 2, insulin starts to stabilize. By day 2, your liver continues working under less stress. This allows insulin levels to stabilize slightly. And this is critical, because insulin is not just controlling blood sugar, it is controlling fat storage. When insulin stays high, your body is locked in fat storage mode. Scientific evidence shows that fatty liver itself can drive insulin resistance, even in people who are not overweight. So even small improvements here begin shifting your body away from storing fat and toward using energy more efficiently. Day 3, fat production slows down. Now this is where the metabolic shift becomes stronger. By day 3, your liver begins reducing the production of new fat. The process of converting sugar into fat slows down significantly. At the same time, your body starts using stored glycogen for energy. As these stores decrease, your body begins preparing to access fat as a fuel source. Research from Harvard Medical School confirms that improving insulin sensitivity at this stage plays a key role in reducing visceral fat over time. This is the moment your body starts moving out of storage mode. Day 4. Blood sugar becomes stable. By day 4, many people feel something different. Their energy becomes more stable. The highs and crashes begin to disappear. And something very interesting happens. Cravings start to reduce. This is not about willpower. This is your liver helping regulate blood sugar more effectively. When glucose levels stay stable, your brain stops sending constant hunger signals. Clinical studies show that liver fat is closely linked to metabolic syndrome, which includes belly fat, insulin resistance, and unstable blood sugar. So improving liver function helps correct this entire system. Day 5. Bloating and inflammation drop. By day 5, many people notice a visible change. Their stomach looks flatter. But as a doctor, I want to be very clear. This is not major fat loss yet. This is mostly reduced inflammation and water retention. Your liver plays a key role in controlling inflammation in your body. When it is overloaded, inflammation increases and your body holds on to fluid. Research from Journal of Hepatology shows that liver dysfunction is closely linked to systemic inflammation. So when liver function improves, inflammation decreases, and your body releases excess water. This is why your belly may suddenly look less bloated. And this is actually a very good sign. Day 6. Hormones begin to balance. Now we reach one of the most important stages. Your liver is deeply involved in hormone regulation. It helps process hormones like insulin and cortisol. Cortisol is your stress hormone, and when it stays elevated, it promotes fat storage, especially around your belly. When the liver is overloaded, it cannot regulate these hormones properly. But by day 6, as liver function improves, hormonal balance begins to stabilize. Research from the National Institutes of Health shows a strong connection between liver health, hormone regulation, and fat distribution. At this stage, many people notice better sleep, less stress eating, and more consistent energy. This is your body starting to rebalance itself. Day 7. Fat burning becomes more efficient. By day 7, your body begins regaining metabolic flexibility. This means your body becomes more efficient at switching between burning sugar and burning fat. When your liver is overloaded, your body stays stuck in fat storage mode. It struggles to access stored fat. But when liver function improves, fat oxidation increases. Research published in Cell Metabolism shows that improved liver health enhances fat-burning pathways in the body. This is where real fat loss can begin. Not instantly, not dramatically in just a few days, but in a way that is sustainable and biologically natural. Now, here is something very important that I always tell my patients. This is not a quick fix. If you go back to the same habits, the liver will become overloaded again and the fat storage cycle will return. Because nothing was truly changed. Let me give you a clear medical perspective. Your liver does not need extreme detox products. Many of these can actually harm your body. Also, this approach is not suitable for everyone. If you have liver disease, diabetes, or take medications, you should consult a healthcare professional before making changes. And importantly, no scientific research supports dramatic fat loss in just 7 days. What this process does is improve your internal metabolic environment, so your body can begin losing fat more effectively over time. So the real takeaway is this: your liver is not just a detox organ. It is one of the most powerful regulators of fat metabolism in your body. When it is overloaded, fat loss becomes difficult. But when it is supported, your body starts working in your favor again. If this helped you understand your body better, make sure to subscribe for more science-based health videos. And tell me in the comments, have you ever felt like your body was resisting fat loss no matter what you tried? Because sometimes the real problem is not effort, it's what's happening inside your body.